At NHIF, he told a boy, Geoffrey Mwangi, who was the CEO, that if my person wants money for business, give it out. If you are caught, I will protect you, and if you are sacked, I will make you a governor of Nakuru County. Every board member of NHIF was being promised anything. And since I don't sit on the board there, NHIF is empty. NHIF is empty. Who emptied NHIF is William Samoei Ruto. Ask the service providers to NHIF. They have never been paid. Billions and billions of NHIF went away. But at NSSF, I said over my dead body. I joined the NSSF when it had a 20 billion portfolio. I left in September last year when it had 120 billion. I am William Samoei's Ruto father, calling me a stupid. And it's better, as I've said, to be a stupid more than being called you are a thief. Today I just laugh when he's telling people about something called, he's want to introduce something called bottom-up economic system. Even the people he was talking of, he was telling or addressing in UK, they were just laughing. Kenya wants honest leaders. Kenyan is in dire need of a straightforward person who has not been involved in Magendo. And if I'm lying, that Ruto is not a thief, let him tell us that he worked for who, since he was employed. If he has been employed in any factory, let him come up and tell Kenyans. The anger between William Samoei Ruto with me is that I stopped him from stealing at NSSF. Simple.